All right, what's up guys? How's everybody doing? I'm out on the Hiboy today and the back tire is losing air sometimes, which is weird because it's got the slime in it, and sometimes it doesn't lose air for like 2 or 3 days, and then other times it goes flat in like an hour. So I'm taking a big risk by being out here on it right now, but I wanted to ride it anyway. This is my Burger King scooter and we're going to Burger King. And this is a very special day for me. By the time you guys are seeing this video, I've already surpassed 500 subscribers, and thank you so much to each and every one of you. But as of right now, when I'm making this video, I'm sitting at $4.99. So this is just like, you know, it's starting to get serious now. I told myself when I hit 500, I'd take it a bit more seriously. When I get to 1,000, I'm going to treat it like a part-time job. So yeah, I mean, this is like the last little bit of screwing around before it gets real. So yeah, thanks to all you guys though. So yeah, I'm gonna ride the scooter with the tire that's losing air to Burger King to get the 2 for $6 and a milkshake, and then I gotta stop at Walmart and get a couple of things. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for coming along. I'm gonna put you in the mounting spot. Hopefully the tire is holding air because I don't feel like walking, and off we go. Trying to look down at my back tire to see if it's going flat without crashing because I'm looking the wrong way. Hold on. I don't know, it's hard to tell. To use the provided scooter path while all the suckers and cars have to go the long way. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Can I get the, all right, there we go guys. The Big King, the original chicken and chocolate shake. That's the Hiboy S2 MAX meal. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this and then we're gonna ride some more. I hope my back tire's still holding there. I didn't check. Feels all right though. Yeah, this Burger King is on point. They're doing a really good job lately. Those shakes are awesome for only like $3. We got the goods, let's ride. All right, guys, I guess that's gonna about do it for this one. I sure appreciate you coming along. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you to all of you for getting me over 500 subscribers. It's a day I never thought would come. I'm gonna make a special video about that here soon. I hope you guys have enjoyed this ride, and I can't wait to see you again next time.